Are you carrying pain that no one sees? The kind that doesn't show on the outside, but weighs heavy on your heart? Today, let's take a quiet walk through God's Word, where healing isn't just about the body, it's about the soul. Isaiah 53:5 tells us, "But he was wounded for our transgressions. He was bruised for our iniquities. The chastisement of our peace was upon him, and by his stripes we are healed." When Jesus went to the cross, he didn't just carry our sickness. He carried our heartbreak, our anxiety, our fear, and our shame. Those stripes represent the pain he endured so that we could find peace again, the peace that only he can give. You see, healing of the heart and mind often begins with surrender. It starts when we say, "Lord, I can't fix this on my own." And in that moment of honesty, he meets us with grace. Maybe you've been through betrayal, loss, or disappointment. God sees every tear you've cried. He's not distant. He's close to the brokenhearted. And through the cross, he made a way for your inner wounds to be restored. So when your thoughts spiral into fear, remember, you don't have to carry what Jesus already took. He bore the weight so you could walk free. He took the chaos so you could have calm. Take a deep breath. Feel his presence right where you are. Let his word wash over you like a gentle stream. By his stripes, we are healed.